1971 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow Long Wheelbase RHD. Price: $10,750. Location: Kansas, USA. The 1971 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow Long Wheelbase is the kind of luxury car that instantly commands attention. Finished in elegant steel blue with a sophisticated cream interior, this British masterpiece represents an era when craftsmanship, prestige, and comfort mattered more than anything else. Even after decades, the Silver Shadow remains one of the most recognizable luxury sedans ever built, carrying the unmistakable presence that made Rolls-Royce the choice of royalty, celebrities, and business leaders around the world. The heart of this classic machine is its legendary V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, designed to deliver effortless performance rather than outright speed. The Silver Shadow glides down the road with the refinement expected from one of the world's most prestigious automotive brands. Features such as power steering, dual SU carburetors, four-wheel disc brakes, and a carefully engineered suspension system helped make this car one of the most advanced luxury vehicles of its time. The long wheelbase configuration adds an extra level of exclusivity and comfort. Rear passengers enjoy additional legroom, transforming every journey into a first-class travel experience. Inside, the cabin showcases the luxury touches that Rolls-Royce became famous for, including plush lambswool carpeting, power windows, air conditioning, an analog clock, and a classic Blaupunkt radio. Every detail was designed to create an atmosphere of quiet elegance and unmatched comfort. The exterior styling remains timeless, from the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament to the chrome accents, quad headlights, Lucas fog lamps, and signature Rolls-Royce wheel covers. Every angle reflects sophistication and prestige. This is not merely a vehicle. It is a rolling piece of automotive history that continues to capture admiration wherever it appears. The steel blue paint complements the car's stately proportions, creating a look that is both dignified and unforgettable. What makes this particular Silver Shadow especially exciting is its potential. Having recently emerged from long-term storage, it requires mechanical recommissioning before returning to the road. For classic car enthusiasts, collectors, and restoration experts, this represents a rare opportunity to acquire a highly collectible Rolls-Royce at an attractive project price. Vehicles like this rarely appear on the market with such a compelling combination of heritage, rarity, and restoration potential. The 1971 Silver Shadow Long Wheelbase tells a story of an era when luxury automobiles were built with extraordinary attention to detail and craftsmanship. Restoring this magnificent machine offers the chance to preserve a piece of British automotive history while creating a show-stopping classic capable of turning heads at concours events, car shows, and weekend cruises.